Let's go.
Verse 2. Like newborn babies.
Like newborn. Now it's taking you now to say repent. Like
Now you say
newborn babies. A
Njengabantwana
newborn
abaqeda
baby
ukuzalwa.
craves for one thing, spiritual milk.
Ufuna nje
A
ibisi
newborn
likamoya.
baby wants calcium. They want to grow. They want nutrition.
Ufuna ukuba nomsoco.
Like a newborn baby
Njengezingane
crave for nutrition.
Funa umsoco.
Crave for calcium.
Funa umsoco izakhamzimba.
So that your bones can be strong.
Ukuze amathambo wakho azoqina.
Hey. So that your bones can be
Ukuze
strong.
amathambo wakho azoqina.
Like newborn babies, you should crave,
You should crave.
thirst
Fanele
for,
ulangazelele.
earnestly desire
Earnestly desire
the pure,
the pure,
unadulterated
spiritual milk.
Ibisi likamoya
That's how you will know
elingabonakala.
who is the real church.
Yindlela ozowazi
Who are drinking from adultery and who are drinking from pure milk.
Ngubani futhi abaphuza ebisini elihlanzekileyo.
You will know them by balance. You will know them by calcium.
Uzobazi
That
ngomsoco
these ones are
wabo.
drinking pure
Ukuthi laba
spiritual
baphuza
milk.
ibisi likamoya elihlanzekile.
Let's go. You repeat and go on. Many people are in churches.
Abantu abaningi basemabandleni.
You can be under a prophet,
Ungaba ngaphansi
a
komprofeti,
bishop, an
umbishop,
apostle.
umpostoli.
Yet you are not drinking
Kanti awuphuzi
what makes your bones strong.
lokho kuyenza amathambo wakho
You are
ucaqile.
drinking what eats your bones.
Uphuza lokho kudla amathambo wakho.
These are two people, a
Abantu
prophet and a
ababili,
righteous person.
umprofethi nomuntu olungileyo.
Many go for a prophet
Abaningi
and they
bagijimela
forsake.
umprofethi.
The righteous person does not come in his name.
Umuntu olungileyo
He comes with the one who made him
kodwa
righteous.
uza ngalo omenze
A
walunga.
prophet can come in his name
Uprofethi angeza ngegama
without
lakhe,
righteousness.
ngaphandle kokulunga.
This one comes
Lona uza
with God's righteousness.
ngokulunga
There's a
kaNkulunkulu.
reward of making people to be in the right standing with
Uzokwenza
God.
abantu ukuthi bame kahle noNkulunkulu.
Even when they preach,
Noma ngabe
you will hear
bashumayela.
that this is making us to be right.
Uzoza ukuthi lokhu kwenza ukuthi
This is alignment.
siqonde, kuyasiqondisa.
You don't feed a child steak in 1 month. You'll kill the child.
Inyama sesemncane uzombulala.
Utshela ibhebu, receive your mention. Akwazi nokukhuluma. Tata, sombulele. Give them pure spiritual milk.
Banikeze
Give
ibisi
them
likamoya
calcium.
elihlanzekile, banikeze umsoco.
Protect your breast as the
Yena
church.
amabhelo wakho njengebandla.
Protect your breast as the
Vikela
church.
amabhelo wakho njengebandla.
Put on a spiritual plate of righteousness.
Gqoka isivikelo sokulunga.
And you will have real children.
Uzoba nabantwana
Real
beqiniso,
sons
amadodana
of the kingdom
weqiniso,
of God.
wombuso
But if you
kaNkulunkulu.
feed them
Kodwa uma ngabe ubadlisa
what you did not get rid of,
lokho ongazange wena wakususa,
flesh will give birth to flesh.
inyama izozala inyama,
Spirit gives birth to
umoya uzala
spirit.
umoya.
Let's go.
like newborn babies, you should crave,
You should crave. Yabona
Fanele
ulahle
nilangazelele.
konke lokho, malice, envy, jealousy, you must be in the position of a child.
Fanele ube
A
semumeni
child
womntwana.
craves for calcium.
Umntwana
A child
ulangazelela
craves for one
umsoco.
thing.
Umntwana ulangazelela into
Nutrition.
yodwa, umsoco, izakhamzimba.
You are in that position.
Ukuloyo muntu.
Nkosi, nginike ibisi. Mathambo wama weak. Ngomzalwane ngiyahamba mara ngina balance. No, angina balance. No, angina balance. Nengqondo yami ayina balance. Nezenzo zami azina balance. Yonke into engiyenza ayina balance. How do you know
Wazi kanjani?
that one carries the righteousness of God?
Uthi omunye uphethe ukulunga kaNkulunkulu.
Winds will come.
Ivunguvungu
Storms will
zizoza.
come.
Ivunguvungu
But if
zizoza.
there's righteousness in them,
Kodwa uma ngabe
you will
kunokulunga
never
kibo,
see imbalance.
angeke uze ubabone bawa noma sebabuthakathi.
You will never see imbalance.
Angeke
They
uze
remain
ubabone
standing.
bawa. Bahlala bamile baqinile.
They never change their ways.
Abaziguculi
They don't
indlela
change the
zabo.
gospel.
Abaguculi ivangeli.
They remain with the truth.
Kodwa bahlala neqiniso.
Feeding children the spiritual milk.
Badlisa abantwana ibisi
Feeding the church
likamoya.
the true gospel.
Badlisa ibandla ivangeli leqiniso.
Not materialistic gospel.
Hayi ivangeli ezinto eziphathekayo zenyama.
Let's go. If you have righteousness in you,
Uma ngabe unokulunga phakathi kwakho.
There's no need to pray for a car.
Akunasidingo sokuthi ukhulekele
There's no
imoto.
need to pray for a house.
Akunasidingo
There's
sokuthi
no need to
ukhulekele
pray for
indlu.
money. How?
Akunasidingo sokuthi
You
ukhulekele
carry
imali.
righteousness in you.
Kodwa uphethe ukulunga kuwe.
You must flourish.
Fanele uphuphume.
Automatically you flourish
Uvele uyaphuphuka.
without praying for these things.
Ngaphandle kokukhulekela lezi zinto.
You will never pray for these things
Angeke uze uzikhulekele lezi zinto.
if the righteousness of God is in you.
Uma ngabe ukulunga kaNkulunkulu
Psalm
kuphakathi kwakho.
92, it says they flourish.
Bayaphuphuma
The
bayaqhaqha.
righteous, they
Laba abalungileyo bayaqhaqha.
akunanto ebavimbayo. Uyidemon lithi hey wena ngeke uyithole lento. The righteousness of God
Ukulunga kaNkulunkulu
is a volume in the spirit.
liyiphimbo kumoya. Uma umsindo kumoya.
Many know how to pray,
Abaningi bayakwazi ukukhuleka.
many know how to fast,
Abaningi bayakwazi ukuzila.
but they are without calcium.
Kodwa abanawo umsoco noma
There's no calcium. If
Azikho
there's no
izakhamzimba.
calcium, it means you
Uma
never
umsoco
sucked the
ungekho,
milk.
kusho ukuthi awukaso wancela ibisi.
Munyitemo, artificial milk. Something that sounds like a gospel, but
Into
it's
evakala ngathi
artificial.
ivangeli, kanti into
It's
eyenziwe.
artificial. It's
Into
not the genuine
eyenziwe.
milk.
Akusiyo
It's
ibisi
artificial.
kodwa into
It sounds like,
eyenziwe.
but it's not.
Ivakala shangathi kodwa
So
akusiyo.
how do you know
Uwazi kanjani
that you are receiving true milk?
ukuthi wamukela ibisi leqiniso?
You receive balance.
Wamukela uqini,
You begin to be stable.
uyaqiniswa.
The problems that used to trouble you, they no longer trouble you.
Ezikhathaza zisakhathaza.
Hey, the testings that used to make you to want to backslide,
Ibhinya bezikwenza ukuthi
they
ufune
come,
ukujikela
but you're still
uNkulunkulu.
pushing.
Ziyezwa kodwa wena usaqhubekela
This is the
phambili.
true milk.
Usaqhubekela
It's not
phambili.
artificial. There's no
Aliyesiwa.
issues with the bones.
Akunazinkinga ngamathambo wakho.
There's no issues with your bones.
Akunazinkinga ngamathambo wakho.
Calcium is at work
Umsoco usemsebenzini, izakhamzimba
Nutrition.
zisemsebenzini. Umsoco usemsebenzini.
from pure milk
Obuye ebisini elihlanzekileyo elimnene.
that you have received.
Ulamkeli.
It's not something that, it can be something that sounds like,
Kungaba into ezwakala shangathi
but without righteousness.
kodwa ukulunga
The
kungekho.
milk is artificial.
Ibisi lelo liyenziwe.
Itemu. Abazana abaningi bamunya amademu emasontweni man. Mfaka amademu. Ledal. As the pastor preaches, umunya itemu. Hey, come on, the true church.
Ibandla
The true
leqiniso.
church.
Ibandla
You know them
leqiniso.
by the sons, by their children. That these people are having true milk.
Abantu laba babunya ibisi leqiniso.
You will know by the sons and daughters
Uzawazi ngamadodana
that this is not artificial.
ukuthi lokho
This
kwenziwa.
is organic milk.
Kodwa leli ibisi leqiniso. Ibisi lentalo.
It's not a milk in a box
Akusiyo ibisi phakathi
with a
kwebhokisi.
shelf life. This is milk that comes out from the breast fresh.
Ibisi
It doesn't have
eliphelele.
reservations for the shelf. No, it's waiting to enter the mouth.
Kodwa
It's waiting to enter the heart.
lilinde
It cannot be preserved. This is pure milk.
Leli ibisi elihlanzekile elimnene.
This is pure milk.
Ibisi elimnene
Organic milk.
elihlanzekile. Ibisi lendalo.
Uracha suparadas. Kinkus perdis te ferta haile. Kikinku kupakatasita. Kikupatasata ritaka. Kis te perdi fardos tekar. Come on. Many have been sucking from artificial milk,
Abaningi bebamunya amabisi ayenziwe.
thinking it's the gospel.
Bacabanga ukuthi ivangeli.
Yet this has a preservation, a shelf life.
Kanti lokhu kubuye
If it says a fact-
emakhabethini.
A shelf life,
Uma ngabe kubuya
it
empilweni
means something has been tampered with.
kusho ukuthi khona
Ukuthi ingaboli. Iphile for long, but I see true lifespan.
akusiyo impilo yeqiniso.
It's not the true lifespan.
Akusiyo isikhashana sempilo
The quality has been taken out
ubunqo bayo
and replaced with
bukhishwe.
preservations.
Yavalwa ngezinto eziyenziwe.
But when the milk flows from the mother,
Kodwa uma ngabe
there's no
ibisi liphuma
preservations.
kumama,
There's a
azikho
connection between the
izinto
child and the mother.
Kodwa kunokuphuma
As the child
ngaphansi
comes closer, the milk
umntwana
flows.
sasondela, ibisi liyaziphumela.
When the child comes close to the breast of the mother,
Asondela ebisini likamama
the
wakhe,
milk begins to flow.
ibisi livele liziphuphumele.
Organic gospel.
Ivangeli lendalo leqiniso lemvelo.
Not artificial things.
Hayi izinto ezenziwe.
Away
ngabantu.
with artificial things in the church.
Izinto ezenziwe emabandleni.
Let the reality come.
Okuyikona kona makuze.
Many bamunya amademu. Waphizi ngamademu. Idemu liyamthulisa umntwana. Mara kaqini. Incanca yambhayizisa ndlalisa umlomo. ukuthi angakhali but akuna calcium engena emzimbeni lipid emlomeni but no calcium.
Awukho umsoco.
Now uyamsukumisa sukuma nana phu uyawa. When calcium enters
Uma ngabe umsoco
your
ungena
stomach,
ngene
your
esiswini
heart,
sakho,
you
inhliziyo
will
yakho
balance.
uzoma uqina.
God will pay details.
uNkulunkulu
to your
uzonaka
steps.
isisa inyathelo zakho.
Every step you make,
Sonke isinyathelo
God pays
senzayo.
attention.
uNkulunkulu
God looks at you.
ubhekile.
God protects you
ubhekile. uNkulunkulu
from every
uyakuvikela.
harm, from every trouble.
ukulimala kuzo zonke inkinga.
You cannot expect God
Anyeke uzulindele
protect
uNkulunkulu
you
ukuthi akuvikele.
while you have eaten what is not organic.
Ngapho usadli udle lokho okungasikwendalo okungasikwemvelo.
You ate what is not organic.
Udle lokho okungasikwemvelo.
It's fake gospel.
Ivangeli lamanga lomkokotelo.
God cannot testify
uNkulunkulu angeke
to
azafakaza.
artificial milk.
Eyibisini lamanga liyenziwe ngabantu.
And the lifespan shelf made or produced in this state expiring. Where there's preservation, there's expiry date.
Lapho kunoba
But
umkokotelo
if the
khona.
connection between the child
Uma ngabe uqhumana
and the
phakathi
mother,
kwamama
there's
nomntwana.
no expiring date.
Hayi lapha
The milk will stop flowing the moment the child is strong. The milk stops flowing. Now the child will eat solid food.
Lapho umntwana uzodla ukudla okuqinile.
But the bones are already strong.
Kodwa amathambo sewavela aqinile.
The bones are already strong.
Amathambo sewavela aqinile.
That's when the milk stops.
Yilapho ibisi khona seliyama.
It's not the mother who knows
Akusumama
when the
wazi
child will stop.
ukuthi umntwana
The
uzoyekela
breast
nini.
that knows when to
Kodwa
shut the
yile vele
taps.
elaziyo ukuthi livala nini impompo.
It's the breast that decides that
Yibelo yolithatha
the
isinqumo
child is now ready.
ukuthi manje umntwana
I've given the
sekalungile.
child enough nutrition.
Seyinikeze umntwana umsoco wanele.
Let me close.
Ukuthi maye sengafa.
Feed the child what is good now.
Disa umntwana ke maye sokuqinile.
Now, why do people have issues of health?
Kungani abantu baneyinkinga nempilo zabo.
Most of you namunye amademu nisakhula. Now you are old, udla inyama, udla ama-veg, but your bones, your what is always giving you problem. Why? Ile nto wayidla umncane. Ikhlupa kuphi? Ebudayeni. Azange bakumunyise i-breast, bakunike i-artificial milk.
Bakunikeza ibisi
Now it
elenziwe
catches up with you at old
manje
age.
ke soyikubamba noma somdala.
Meaning that milk
Kusho ukuthi lelo bisi
must preserve you
fanele ligcine.
even in old age. Noma sewudla inyama.
sewumdala.
Le nutrition yenyama seyimane ya-eda khona i-foundation engenile. Pure milk.
Bisi elihlanzekile.
Bones are strong already.
Amathambo siwavela
As
aqinile.
you eat that steak, no,
Usadla
I already
lenyama.
carry the nutrition
Sengivele nguphethe umsoco.
from the mother's breast.
Obuye ebeleni
The bones
likamama.
are strong. There's
Amathambo
calcium.
aqinile kunomsoco.
Now, uhlala uhlishwa amathambo. Amathambo wami ngathi achazela. Mangime isikhathi ngathi ayenza so. Umunye yena uyibaby. Ngiyakuphendula ke namuhla. Umunye yena uyibaby. Now, but une-arthritis, hamba check wamunyana uyibaby. Artificial milk.
Bisi lomkokotelo.
Ayicalanga manje. Bayiplanta ungumntwana. Kwangena into engaqinisa amathambo. Artificial milk.
Ibisi
Nestam.
lomkokotelo.
Now your bones have got problem.
Manje amathambo akho sewanenkinga.
Hi, doctor, ngathi ngine-arthritis. Udoctor, hayi, mina ngizokutshela udoctor wakama-ref from above. The issue ile nto wayemunye uyibaby. Amathambo wakho adile azange athole ini? Enough nutrition, enough calcium.
Azange
Now the
athole
more
umsoco
cooler,
wanele.
aba weak. Many Christians are like that.
Abazalwane abaningi banjalo.
That's why Apostle Paul says, you started in the spirit,
Uqale kumoya
you ended in the flesh.
naphelela enyameni.
Ibangwe yini? The more but bayakhula, abakhula spiritual, they are growing in the flesh.
Kodwa abakhula
They're
enyameni.
becoming more weak, more weak, more weak, more weak, more weak.
Baba
Ekugcineni,
buthakathaka.
boom! Bawile. They become now illegitimate children.
Abantwana bomkokotelo.
Abasabi labo abalegitimate. They become illegitimate children.
Abantwana bomkokotelo.
Baba abantwana bonkokotelo kaNkulunkulu. Mara nababhekile ngathi yibo mara kusibo. How will you know ukuthi bayibo beqiniso? Let trouble come
Awuze inkinga.
to test them.
Ngizobavivinya.
You will know ukuthi lo wamunya ibisi lakamareg, lo wamunya igospel yamanga, lo wamunya yakamareg. Badlule ezinkingeni bamile. They are not troubled. bayagula bamile abanamali bamile bamanga bangalela uNkulunkulu lini ngifuna imali hayi mina ngiyayeka lento hey the issue udleni mawuqala ukusindiswa washunyayezwa ini washunyanga wathi uyasindiswa kanti ungena ku artificial gospel. It was not the raw gospel elibamba umuntu limqinise. And you were so convinced baba namuhla nyasindiswa. Hey, it was artificial. A Christian, a prophet, an apostle, in the name of the apostle, in the name of the prophet. But if you receive the righteous person without the title of a prophet, as long as he's righteous, he's above a prophet. As long as he's righteous, he's above a prophet or an apostle. His righteousness is the one that makes God to look at that person. Meaning you can be a prophet while God is not even looking at you. The righteousness of God is what makes God to pay details and look at you attentively, listen to you attentively, and look at you closely. Because he can see his garment on you. The moment that Baba Nyatandaza, God says, "I'm my son, I'm with you. I'm with you." Baba says in King, "Hey Baba, uNkulunkulu thing now. Now lo bubona ngeke ukuthi. Uyodlula la." Many have eaten artificial gospel.